Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Disney Plus videos to an SD card for offline viewing. While Disney Plus doesn't allow you to directly download to an SD card from their app, there are a few steps and tricks you can use to save content on your SD card. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the Disney Plus app on your mobile device. To download Disney Plus content to an SD card, you'll need to use the Disney Plus app on a mobile device, smartphone or tablet. This method works for both Android and iOS, but SD card storage is only supported on Android devices. Install the Disney Plus app. Make sure you have the Disney Plus app installed on your mobile device. You can download it from the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. Log in to your Disney Plus account. Open the app and log in with your Disney Plus account credentials. Step 2. Set your SD card as the default storage location, Android only. To save Disney Plus downloads to your SD card, you need to set the SD card as the default download location. This option is only available on Android devices. Insert your SD card. Make sure your SD card is properly inserted into your Android device. Open Disney Plus settings. Go to the Disney Plus app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Download section. Set SD card as storage location. Look for the option that says Download Location or Download to SD card and select it. This will set your SD card as the default location for storing downloaded content. Step 3. Download content from Disney Plus. Now that you've set the SD card as the storage location, you can start downloading videos. Find the movie or show. Browse through the Disney Plus library and select the movie or TV show you want to download. Tap the download icon. Once you've found the content you want to download, tap the download icon, a downward arrow, next to the title. The video will begin downloading and will automatically be saved to your SD card. Monitor download progress. You can check the download progress by going to the Download section within the Disney Plus app. Once the download is complete, the content will be available to watch offline. Step 4. Watch downloaded content from your SD card. Once the download is complete, you can watch the content directly from your SD card within the Disney Plus app. Open the Download section. Go to the Download section in the Disney Plus app to view your downloaded content. Watch offline. Tap on the movie or TV show to start watching. The video will play from your SD card, allowing you to enjoy it without an internet connection. Step 5. Alternative method, using third-party software. If you want to save Disney Plus content to your SD card on a PC or non-Android device, you will need to use third-party software like StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader. Download and install StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader. Visit the StreamFab website and download the software. Install it on your computer. Log into Disney Plus. Open StreamFab, log into your Disney Plus account, and find the content you want to download. Choose SD card as save location. Before downloading, you can specify the location where you want to save the file. Choose your SD card as the save destination. Download content. Select the content and start the download. The video will be saved directly to your SD card in MP4 or MKV format, which can then be transferred to other devices for playback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on managing your Disney Plus content. Thanks for watching.